too. It looks nice here at night when the lights are all red.
The hotel's all lit up.
Oh, it is red still. I can see it. All right, starting by the hotel registration. Walking through the Peppermill is going to be a quick one. It's not as detailed as before. There's hotel registration. Concierge. So reprint my card. It's taking a long time to reprint. All right, here we go. Peppermill. Cafe espresso. Doesn't look like she got ice cream. What is this restaurant? Sabroso. Looks like Mexican restaurant. I'm gonna take a walk through here real quick. Did you get ice cream? No? Let's walk through and see what machines they have. And then we can go back and play. Oh, they have a sports deli here too, next to the sports betting area.
Wow, there's a lot of people here and the machines are playing a lot.
That's good, right?
Really good business. Yeah.
This place is a lot busier than Nugget.
Yeah. Brighter too.
Yeah.
Wow.
It's a nice screen. Oh, it's all multiple layers. Look at the sports betting area. Let's go over here real quick. Wow. The red windows. It's deceiving. Old buffaloes. They're guaranteed to hit by 5,000. There's a lot of Dragon Links everywhere. Can't get sick of Dragon Link, huh? These people.
They have different buffaloes too.
Yeah. No, no. All the table games. Wow.
Wow. Romanza Italiano.
Oh, after watching that movie last night.
Makes me want some Italian.
Yeah. Ristorante Italiano.
What do we want to play?
I don't know. I'm just walking right now to record the. This is called the quick. I don't. Yeah, let's cut in and out around here. I don't want to try to get everything, but I just want to walk through it again.
There's so much more machines, it seems like, and they're a little bit more closer together. I mean,
It seems the same to me. Maybe we just notice it more.
yeah, there's more machines closer together.
And there's more people winning.
Yeah.
Sounds like people are winning.
It's because there's more players.
Yeah. Cafe Milano. This must be the buffet. Let's go look over here.
They have a buffet here. We've been here before, but it's not a buffet, yeah?
It's not a buffet. I don't remember. Oh, did we eat here? I don't remember.
I recall eating here.
It's not a buffet. Okay.
This is a non-smoking section.
Ah.
But they say they have some pretty good restaurants here.
We should eat here after we win our hand pay.
Yeah, we should. Pay him back a little bit.
Let's go see how the minimum is on the craps. Long tables.
Oh. There's lots of people.
Lots of people playing. What's a minimum? That's $10 minimum.
Is it?
$10, yeah. $10 minimum.
Oh, $10, yeah.
That one is $10 minimum too. Not yet. Maybe later. I want to finish walking around first. Maybe after we get a hand pay. We'll walk around and then play some slots, get our hand pay, play some craps. Yeah.
That's interesting. Midnight Express.
What? Oh, Jungle Beat. What's this? This is a non-smoking section, huh? Let's walk through here real quick around, make a quick loop. So yeah, it went that way, huh? The other side? Okay. Let's go to the left. Oh, there's no room over here. The Rake and Bacon's kind of died off, huh?
What is that?
What is this? It's bites. So
Yeah.
so you can get quick bite to
Quick
eat.
bite.
Nice. Nice.
Lots of bacon.
Lots of people winning, huh? say pounding on the machine?
They had to re-screw it.
Oh, tighten it up. Was that the buffet over there?
Is there a buffet here? I thought that was seafood.
Oh, that one's seafood, huh?
Oyster.
Ah,
And
chuchi.
yeah,
We haven't gone in the middle yet.
that's true.
Raining rhino.
Raining rhino.
No more buffalo, it's rhino now.
Dragon bone. Oh, mummy.
This is Oceano Seafood, Oyster, and Sushi Bar.
Yeah.
Oh, you said sushi.
But why?
I thought you said chuchi. I'm like, what's, I don't know what chuchi is. You want chuchi?
Sushi.
Chuchi.
I think they have a restaurant upstairs as well.
Oh. They have their poker room over here.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, a lot of people playing poker.
Is it poker?
Yeah, inside there, poker. Let's walk through here on the right, loop around.
Close to where the high limit is.
Ah, high limits.
High limit is on the other side of that black wall.
Can you walk in there from here?
No.
Oh, can't? Okay, well,
Oh,
we'll turn
I
around.
am wrong.
Nope,
You can't, right?
nope. See this right here, huh?
That's the high limit.
Okay, let's take a gander in there real quick. And I think that's it. We walked through this really fast
We did.
because we want to gamble really fast and win really fast. Oh, we didn't go over there yet, huh? Ultimate fast cash. I've never seen this. Dolphin treasure. Reina. Reina. Oh. Table games. Let's see what she's looking at. What are you looking at?
Try this real quick. We have about a minute. You can get $50.
A what?
$50.
Okay. Here you go. You have a minute for what?
With the balloon frenzy.
Okay. Chris said fast. That's the only way to do it, because you have a minute left. Keep pumping, keep pumping. Pump it till it explodes. There you go.
Oh, I didn't catch those.
Oh,
I just gave me my money back.
there you go.
Alright, that was
Cool. How fun. Fun. Circus Frenzy. Interesting game. All right. Let's walk over.
I wanted to join. Here we are.
And then
Where we started.
this area and we'll be good. There's all the older games over here. Yeah, those are all older games.
Over there. All the keynotes.
Yeah. Okay. And then there's Chi. What's Chi? Chi. Asian restaurant. Wow, they have a lot of food here. Cool. Closed. Well, that's about it. It's time for us to go play. That was the fast walkthrough. All right, let's go find something to play. Actually, I found a machine I want to play.
Okay. I found one there.
All right. Follow us.